Good morning vlog. We are making healthy pancakes. Look at these. They are made from millet flour, oats, bananas. Supposed to be a bunch of bananas. We didn't have them, so we used pumpkin. They're kind of weird, but they're good.
And you also have blueberries.
And there's blueberries in them. The blueberries really make them good.
Yeah.
It really does.
You don't have bananas,
yeah.
Use pumpkin. No
Yeah.
blueberries.
Ryan, do you want to be in the vlog? He doesn't.
Okay.
Bye.
So Ryan, did he just jump in? Yep. Or maybe he fell. I'm not sure. He's right. We're doing this off the course. That's right. Oh, this is so funny. He's trying to bump them off me by jumping.
What?
How do you feel?
I feel beat. That was fun. Requires a lot of upper body strength. I'm gonna see how many other people I can get off of there next time though.
He's trying to bounce the people off.
No, this is the first time I'm trying to do it.
Oh, it looked like it from here when.
No, I'm just really clumsy.
Oh,
Otherwise, that was fun.
that's good.
I love you.
No.
I'll see you later.
Love you. Oh, lake water.
We're about to leave, and the dog is just watching us out the window. Poor Pee-Pee.
German
He's not. He's a golden retriever.
Sure, yeah, that's... Okay, his name's Shepherd, so automatically I think German Shepherd.
He's so
Can't
sweet
blame him
though.
for that.
So we're in Publix, and Ryan was gonna get a frozen pizza, but then they were $9, and he was like, "Well, I can get a real pizza for that much." So that's what he's gonna go do. Apparently, I don't know yet. We're going to see the rocket launch. It's super exciting. So apparently we're on NASA property. Not allowed. So driving what 6 miles?
Yeah, they said 6.5, so...
So anyways, we're going back to the bridge to watch the launch of the...
Ryan, what are we doing?
We are T-minus 2 minutes till the rocket to the sun launches, and it is...
When I was getting ready for bed, Ryan goes, "There's a rocket launch tonight, we gotta go!" And now it's 3:30 in the morning. How do you feel?
Good.
Ryan feels good. I feel hot. We don't know what direction to face, but it's about to happen. And I've seen a bunch of shooting stars, so that's cool. There it goes.
That was a tiny ass rocket.
Oh, it's not, you can't see it because it's behind the cloud now. Oh, it's coming up the top. Oh, look at that. Okay, on video it's not going to be cool, but there it is. You can kind of hear it now.
Yeah, next time if I'm going to one, I'm definitely gonna get close to it.
Oh, that's so
How is it, Ryan?
It was kind of cool, but that was something I definitely wish that we were right there up and personal with.
Yeah.
That was something that's like if we were coming an hour out of the way, we need to be right there on top of it, feel the rumbles and feel the epicness of it.
We can't do that. We weren't allowed on the 6 miles of NASA property.
Yeah.
It was so fun.
Yeah, it was. I enjoyed it. All right, this needs to get off.
Night vlog. Say goodnight.
Yeah.